Yeah, can I come?
Yes.
Rahul, can I ask through you to Mr. Tapuria that what type of industry he was running and what type and what amount he was trying to raise? Because my impression is that his brother-in-law was late Mr. MP Birla. The famous case where Premda Birla had given a will and which is being challenged. He is a brother-in-law of the MP Birla, and he was the basic business of Mr. Tapuria was only the agency of MP Birla Group. And he just said on your channel that he was running some business, and in the business there were losses, and because of the losses, he ran into the financial problems for which my impression was that there was no business losses as such as being said, but he may correct me. And so far as he's seeing the statement of 1 billion and the statement of 8 billion which UBS has denied, Rahul, I can tell you that these swindlers who have plundered the nation by I mean the biggest. Somebody said that they are the biggest crooks. Do you think that 4 years is a time with these swindlers to allow the money to be kept in the same account? You see, their assets are so sensitive assets that within a moment of a second of communication, the funds can move from one to the other, to the third, to the fourth, to the different layers. You cannot trace that. You have allowed that opportunity to happen to this Hassan Ali,
made your point.
who has
I'm out
moved
of
the
time.
funds.
I want to get Mr. Tapuria to respond to the direct questions that you've asked him. Mr. Tapuria, please respond to Vipin.
Yes, let me clarify. I think Mr. Paul's information is not correct. I was the chairman of Incab Industries Limited, which was my company. Incab Industries had two plants, one in Jamshedpur, the other one was in Pune. And it says, if you want to check, you can even check with the workers of Incab Industries in Jamshedpur or Pune, whether or not it was my company and whether or not I was the chairman of the company, and whether or not the company went sick. That was in 91-92, because at that time certain import regulations were changed and import of cables had become considerably low cost. Pardon?
Okay.
The duty on import cables as a project import was much less than the cost of the raw materials and the chemicals that required was much higher, and therefore practically all the plants had problems. So
okay,
therefore,
Sandeep also wants to come in and quickly ask a question.
Mr. Tapuria, one quick question. You said that when you saw the UBS statement, there was just under $1 billion. And at the same time, you said that you were seeking a 60 crore loan from Hassan Ali Khan. So a man who has $1 billion in a UBS account was not able to give you a 60 crore loan for 11 years?
Well, I can only say this: either he didn't want to give it, or he didn't have the authority to give it. Somebody else was in it.
So which only means that my sense is right, which is that he was the fall guy and there were powerful individuals behind this person, and the money is actually theirs and maybe not his.
You're the only person who's actually met him and knows him so well. Tell us, Mr. Tapuria, doesn't your conscience make you want to speak out at this time and tell the people who these politicians were, whose money it really is, the money that he's looted from India and taken away?
No, well, let me tell you very frankly, I have no idea about the politicians, because the only politicians I met was from Andhra Pradesh.